We are looking at the 1930 Pierce Model A, which was Pierce's full-size biggest offering of that year. 144-inch wheelbase, big 385 cubic inch straight 8, 3-speed transmission with freewheeling, side mounts. A beautiful, beautiful car. The traditional Pierce Arrow triple lens taillights, and a very nice accessory trunk made by B&B. Just beautiful. Wire wheels with chrome lock rings. Very pretty indeed. Doors fit and hang nicely, shut well. Very, very pleasant car to drive, as we will see shortly. Oh, and it has the Classic Car Club of America National Competition First Place badge. So that's a good thing. Beautiful interior. Dashboard looks like new. This has all been restored. Just a great looking car. Look how nice this is. I mean, it's just done exactly right. Wool corduroy, just like it should be. There's the courtesy lights. Spectacular.